Hi, everybody. This is Gary Dean with Sentiment Timing, and this is our technical video report for Sunday, October 27th, 2024. I'm going to kind of keep this short. I'm losing my voice, but Friday we saw the bulls, try to break out here and get out of harm's way. But once we ran right into this resistance zone, we saw sellers step in, and now we're basically they're back on their heels again. Is the best thing, and I've been saying to expect volatility to pick up because heading into the elections, and we've had some decent rallies, and from the rumor mill or what's circling is that it was because Trump was pulling away in the polls, the betting polls, so people were pricing in him winning. So it's the thing is that there's no guarantee on any of this stuff. So I was expecting whatever to see volatility pick up, and that's pretty much what we have seen. So price wise, what we have to do that you can see. We're already back down at the 62% retracement level. We bounced. If the bears can push through this, then we're going to be coming down to this 57.84. If they break that, then we're coming into this into the 57.60 level. And I'm not sure it holds, meaning that it's right now. If they were going to try to run this into the elections, I believe that we would have seen this break this support this resistance right here and continue higher. But as I said, there's a lot of uncertainty out there, and uncertainty opens the door for volatility. Volatility opens the door for selling, and so nothing has changed on that front. I think we're going to stay exactly like this until after the elections, and things may get worse, they may get better. We'll see. But right now, we just want to trade the setups. That's probably the best way to put it. My internet went down on Friday. It didn't come back up until 3:30, so I made no trades. And right now, on tomorrow, I'm kind of going into this open-minded. We may kind of try to bounce a little bit, and the reason why we don't really have any buy or sell signals. We had sell signals here, and we did get the drop. But we didn't get any buy signals. And this rally right here, there was no sell signals. So we're kind of in no man's land, and we're in this little range going from the 58.66 down to this. Let's move this a little bit lower. You can see the 200-day moving average right here. So that's right at the 57.60. So this is our range. If the bulls can get above it, then we're coming up and testing these highs. I don't think the odds are great on that. If the bears can come down, then obviously they're going to be testing this the 57.60. Let's just call it. And if they could break through that, that's where we will see volatility really start to pick up and momentum on the downside pick up. Because you can see here's the moving average, here's support. This gets broken, there's nothing left until we come down to the 56.80. So this is pretty important right here. Again, if the bears can do it, then we're coming down here. If the bulls can get above this, then we're heading up there. And it's really, that's the only way you could really look at this market right now, because it's not giving us any signs. Even if we go back to the 15-minute chart, you can see there's no sell signals as we made this high. And if I shrink this, you can see there is really no buy signals at these lows. So what we do is we just wait for it. So just to kind of sum it up right here, the bulls got to get it above the 58.25. Bears need to get it through this 5800. If they get it through the 5800, we have the 78% retracement right here. That's at 57.84. And then again, we're coming down and testing these lows. So stay open-minded. I do believe, if anything, I'm still looking lower, but I have no problem trading the long side. I just think if you're looking at this with a long-term view, I think you're just going to get whipsawed back and forth, and you're not going to make a penny. If you can trade these little setups and do it on a daily basis, that's where you can go to sleep at night, wake up in the morning, and look for the next, the next trade. But right now, I think the longer-term holders, your perma bulls, your perma bears, they're just going to get whipsawed back all around. So let's see what plays out tomorrow. Have a great rest of your weekend, and I'll talk to you guys in the morning.